Welcome to Heal India Meditation. Heal Your Money Meditation is a meditation which will help you to release your money blocks. Many times we are stuck with the money. Many times, even after doing efforts, we are not able to reach our financial goals. So I welcome you all in this meditation. All these blocks, emotional and mental level blocks, are coming from your past. All the perceptions you have made about money in your past are affecting you right now. There are blocks, there are belief systems which are holding you back and not allowing you to earn abundant money. All the parental beliefs that you have got from your parents. How was your financial state when you were a child? Were your parents suffering? Did your parents put you in a financial struggle? What was their status? All these things are affecting you right now. What was your ancestor's status? What are the ancestral beliefs that you have carried in your DNA? What are the belief systems of your friends and the society around you? The problems that the society is facing is directly affecting your subconscious. All these money limiting beliefs that we had carried inside our mind are affecting our present financial status. It's a choice whether you want to become rich or you want to be in the state where you are. Friends, you have to select that. So I welcome you all in Heal India Meditation. Heal Your Money Meditation will help you to reach your financial goals, to release the subconscious blocks that is filled in your subconscious mind and in your DNA, and to attract abundant money, to reach the financial goal that you have set in your life, to live a life of freedom and abundance. So I welcome you all in this meditation program. Thank you so much.